What is up, YouTube? My name is Zachary Subnasty, and today I'm going to be doing another rap cover from Machine Gun Kelly. I know I haven't really been posting lately. I had vacation, and I've just been on my summer break. I'm finally graduated from high school, so finally. But this song, I've been wanting to do this song for a very long time, and I keep forgetting to do it. I know this song dead on by heart. Let it to my fans. Let's do it.
To my fans, hold me down, motherfucker. And that's all I say. When that crowd leaves, will you stay for me? And if I don't become what they thought I was, and the time I should and my hype dies, will you wait for me? Or be ashamed of me if I chose to bow out gracefully? Cause I know if I don't wanna lose myself, then Hollywood ain't no place for me. What if I told you I ain't quit and these drugs still was my rival? Would you regret the fact that you sobered up and had more heart than your idol? Or accept the fact that I'm just human, borderline suicidal? And is it blasphemous that these two fingers mean more to me than my Bible? Lord help, cause I'm hellbound with the weight of the world, I'm held down. Feels like I'm in hell now. Maybe that's why I'm having this meltdown. Maybe that's why I hate fame. Maybe that's why this J's lit, cause I speak the real and get criticized, so I inhale and don't say shit. And I wake up to the same shit, cameras on with they hands out, and that fake smile that I hate now, cause they the ones say I sold out. They the ones that would break out when I needed food for my daughter. And I'm the one who can't grow up, so these fans replace my father, and these girls replace my mama. They give me love, I don't take it, cause fuck love. These fucking hugs were around before I made it. And since I don't have no family, EST is all that I got. Either drop me now or you die for life, man, it's EST or it's not. Ain't right. Cause whenever they're wrong, oh, it's my fault. This is my life. My life. Now tell me, are you gon' ride till the wheels fall off, till the nightmare's done, till the gray hairs come, till the friendship disappears that we've had since day one? I said this is my life. So tell me, are you gon' ride till the wheels fall off? Now, what if this is our climax? What if everything peaks here? What if we never get big and these days add on like leap year? What if you were in my shoes? Do you think you could fit them? Or would you put that gun to your fucking head and regret the fact that you in them? Cause this ain't living, this shit prison. Whatever you see in videos, this isn't. Whatever I thought I knew, shit I did it. Dealing with the consequences of my decisions. Traded the life of a lonely child who couldn't find anyone to get through. With a life that's filled with cameras, criticized every time that I move. But the love I got for my fans and the loyalty for my mans equaled out to the shows we dreamed of, but them bodies packed to those stands. And I did what they say I can't, so I'm living proof that you can. Go be great, chase your dreams. We only got one life and one chance. Ain't right. Cause whenever they're wrong, oh, it's my fault. This is my life. My life. Now tell me, are you gon' ride till the wheels fall off, till the nightmare's done, till the gray hairs come, till the friendship disappears that we've had since day one? I said this is my life. So tell me, are you gon' ride till the wheels fall off?
Thank you guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Peace.